Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Ellie Lee with Ellie Lee Designs. Now today's project takes me back to, you've guessed it, Santo Domingo. I honestly couldn't help but to pick up this t-shirt while I was on vacation. Yes, I am just that cheesy. But the actual meaning to this shirt, it says Yo tuve, and that means I was in Santo Domingo. So I thought it was just super appropriate and wanted to wear it for today's video. And during that time, I was inspired to paint something. Now I'm not a painter, but I definitely was inspired to paint something. I just didn't know what. So without further ado, let's get started. I started this quick project with a canvas I had purchased and some IKEA colored pencils. Now these aren't your typical colored pencils and you'll see that in just a bit. Now remember my friends, I am not a painter, so I decided to go with something simple that I thought I could manage, like a leaf, without things getting way too out of hand. If you've seen and used these colored pencils before, let me know what you thought of them in the comment section below. I used about 4 different colors in total to add some depth to the leaf before moving on to the next step. Can you guess what that was? It was water. The next step was water. These awesome little colored pencils change into watercolors with a touch of water. I definitely recommend these for anyone with little ones at home or in the family. They will absolutely love them and it will be a guaranteed hit. I then added some color along the white background because I felt it looked too plain. So I added 2 different blues, pink and yellow, to the backgrounds, then added water to see how it all came together. Then I added some brown, more green and yellow to the leaf because it felt like it was just too green and I wanted to give it more character. Once I finished that, I decided to use some embroidery floss to add texture to my painting, and I did this by poking some holes into the canvas and threading my embroidery floss through the holes. I used several different colors so that I could mix up the colors similar to what I did with the colored pencils. Now you'll also notice that I used some tape on the back of the canvas, and that was just so that I could anchor down the beginning and end pieces of the embroidery floss. If you feel you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button below and consider leaving a comment. Also consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. I'm super curious to know, have you guys tried this embroidery floss technique before, and what did you make? Let me know in the comment section below. Now I have something special that I wanted to give to all of my traveling crafters out there that I thought would be fun to share during this project, since I myself was traveling when I completed it. In the description box you will find a direct link to a free SVG file that you can use to create a fun travel t-shirt to remind yourself that you don't have to stop crafting while you travel. You can also grab any of the other free digital downloads that I have available. Okay, now back to the project. Once I put the final color touches and let my paint dry, I used cork board to cover the back of the canvas so that the tape and the thread were not visible from the back and the painting would have a nice finished look. What do you guys think? Now for those of you that may have missed my last project for my time in Santo Domingo, you can find that one right over here, along with another video that you may be interested in as well. As always, I look forward to chatting with you guys, and until next time, bye.